Welcome to Tech Coding channel. Today we are going to discuss important dates of the month of September. We get 2 to 3 marks on these important dates questions in every competitive exams in general studies paper. Here we can discuss both international and national important dates and their themes. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video to your friends, click the notification button. Let's go to the topic. Second September. 2nd September is the World's Coconut Day. 5th September. 5th September is the International Day for Charity. 5th September is a National Teachers Day. 8th September. 8th September is the International Literacy Day. The theme of International Literacy Day is literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond. Here they can ask the question, what is the theme of International Literacy Day in the year of 2020? You can pick as a literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond. 9th September is a International Day to protect, educate from attacks. 10th September. 10th September is a World Suicide Prevention Day. The theme of World Suicide Prevention Day is working together to prevent suicide. 12th September is an International Day for South-South Cooperation. 12th September is a World Postcard Day. 14th September is a Hindi Divas or Hindi Day. It is an important question repeated in lot of the competitive exams. Please remember that 14th September is a Hindi Divas or Hindi Day. 15th September is a Engineering Day. 15th September is a Engineers Day. It is also important question. It is a repeated one in some of the competitive exams in central wide. 15th September is the International Day of Democracy. 16th September is the International Day for Preservation of the Oxygen Layer. The theme of International Day of Preservation of the Oxygen Layer is Oxygen for Life, 35 years of the ozone layer protection. The theme of this International Day for the prevention of the ozone layer is Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. 17th September. 17th September is the World Patient Safety Day. The theme of World Patient Safety Day is Health Worker Safety, a priority for the patient safety. You can remember that the World Patient Safety Day of the theme is for 2020. The theme is Health Worker Safety, a priority for patient safety. 18th September is the World Bamboo Day. Theme is Bamboo Now. 18th September 2020 is the World's Water Monitoring Day. Theme is Solve Water. 18th September is the International Equal Pay Day. 19th September is the International Coastal Cleanup Day. The theme of International Coastal Cleanup Day is Achieving a Trash-Free Coastal Line. 21st September is the World Ajmer Day. Let's talk about Dementia. 21st September is the International Day of Peace or World Peace Day. The theme of International Day of Peace or World Peace Day is Shaping Peace Together. For 2020, the theme of International Day of Peace or World Peace Day is Shaping Peace Together. 22nd September. 22nd September is the World Rhino Day. The theme of World Rhino Day for 2020 is Why Rhinos Species Forever. 23rd September, International Day of Sign Language. The theme of International Day of Sign Language for 2020 is Sign Languages Are Forever for Everyone. The theme of International Day of Sign Languages for 2020 is Sign Languages Are for Everyone. 23rd September, International Day of Sign Languages. 25th September is a National Antyodaya Divas. 26th September is a World Environment Health Day. The theme of World Environment Health Day for 2020 is Environmental Health, a key public intervention in disease pandemic prevention. The theme of World Environmental Healthy Day for 2020 is Environmental Health, a key public intervention in disease pandemic prevention. 27th September is the World Tourism Day. The theme of World Tourism Day for 2020 is Tourism and Rural Development. 28th September is the International Day for Universal Access to Information. The theme of International Day for Universal Access to Information for 2020 is Access to Information, Saving Lives, Building Trust, Bringing Hope. 28th September is World Rabies Day. The theme of World Rabies Day for 2020 is End Rabies Collaboration Vaccinate. 29th September, World Heart Day. The theme of World Heart Day for 2020 is Use Heart to Beat Cardiovascular Disease. 29th September 2020. 29th September, the International Day of Awareness on Food Losses and Waste Reduction. The theme of International Day of Awareness on Food Loss and Waste Reduction for 2020 is Stop Food Loss and Waste for the people, for the planet. 30th September, International Translation Day. The theme of International Translation Day for 2020 is 1st October is the International Day of Older Persons. Here you can remember that it is in this video you can discuss themes of these important days. The theme of the International Day for Older Persons is Pandemic. Do they change how we address age and aging? 2nd October 2nd October is the International Day of Non-Violence. 4th October is a World Animal Welfare Day. 4th October to 10th October is a World Space Week. You can remember that the question is comes like this: on which week we celebrate this World Space Week? Means we can take as a 4th October to 10th October we celebrate as a World Space Week Day. The theme of World Space Week Day is a Satellites Improve Life. 5th October is a World Teachers Day. The World Teachers Day theme is Teachers Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. 5th October is a World Habitat Day. The theme of World Habitat Day is Housing for All, a Better Urban Future. 2nd October to 8th October 2020 is a National Wildlife Week. The theme of National Wildlife Week for 2020 is Roar and Review, Explore the Human-Animal Relationship. 7th October is the World Cotton Day. 8th October is the Indian Air Force Day. 9th October 2020 is the World Post Day. Here you can remember that this question is repeated in some of the exams. 9th October is the World Post Day. 10th October is a National Postal Day. 10th October is the World Mental Health Day. The theme of World Mental Health Day for 2020 is Mental Health for All. 9th October to 15th October is National Postal Week Day. You can remember this. 9th October to 15th October is a National Postal Week Day. And the theme of this National Postal Week is every year National Post Week is marked to create awareness about the role of postal service in the country. 10th October is a World Migratory Day. Migratory Day. 10th October is a World Migratory Day. The theme of Migratory Day is Birds Connected Our World. 11th October is the International Day of Children, Girl Child. You can remember this is the important question repeated in some of the competitive exams. 11th October is the International Day of Girl Child. The theme of International Day of Girl Child is My Voice, Our Equal Future. 12th October is World Arthritis Day. 13th October is the International Day for Disaster Reduction. 14th October is the International Standards Day or World Standards Day. The theme of International Standards Day or World Standards Day is Protecting the Planet with Standards. 15th October is the World Students Day. 15th October is the International Day of Rural Women. Build Rural Women Resilience in the wake of COVID-19. The theme of International Day of Rural Women is Building Rural Women for Resilience in the wake of COVID-19. 15th October is a Global Hand Washing Day. The theme is Hand Hygienic for All. 16th October is a World Food Day. The theme of World Food Day is Grow, Nourish and Sustain Together. 17th October is the International Day for Eradication of Poverty. The theme of International Day of Eradication of Poverty is Acting Together to Achieve Social and Environmental Justice for All. 28th October is the World Statistics Day. The theme of World Statistics Day is Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust. 28th October is a World Astrophotography Day. The theme 20th October is a International Chef's Day. The theme of International Chef's Day is Healthy Food for the Future. 21st October is a National Police Commissioner Day. 21st October is a National Police Commemoration Day. 22nd October is the International Stuttering Awareness Day. The journey of world, the journey of words, resilience and bouncing back. The theme of this 22nd October International Stuttering Awareness Day is Journey of Words, Resilience and Bouncing Back. 23rd October is a World Snow Leopards Day. 24th October is a World Polio Day. The theme of World Polio Day for 2020 is A Win Against Polio is a Win for Global Health. 24th October 2020 is a World Development Information Day. 24th October 2020 is a United Nations Day. 27th October 2020 is the World Day for Audiovisual Heritage. The theme of World Day for Audiovisualization Heritage is theme